Open the glove box.
Pinch the tabs on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box.
If you cannot see your filter, your vent may be down. You can raise the vent to the on position by starting your car and pushing the recirculating air button. Unclip the 3 tabs from the filter frame to remove it. Remove the tray from the housing. Remove the filter from the tray. Insert your new filter into the tray, with its arrow pointing up. Reinstall the frame into the housing to clip it into place.
Press the recirculate air button once more to lower the vent. Once the vent is completely closed, you can turn off your vehicle. Raise the glove box and pinch the tabs to move the stops behind their catch.
Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.